Hi, I'm Sarah with Get Online NOLA, and today we're talking about e-commerce. So first, let's talk about how important e-commerce is. E-commerce allows you to reach more customers and provide more revenue for your business. It allows you to reach your customers 24/7, even if your storefront is closed. Also, it reduces your overhead and operational costs. Now let's talk about our favorite e-commerce platform, WooCommerce. WooCommerce is the world's most customizable e-commerce platform with over 60 million active downloads. Just like WordPress, WooCommerce is free. The software is super scalable with extensions and plugins that allow more functionality within the e-commerce platform. While WooCommerce is free, it does take some time to style and configure. There's so many different things that you can sell online. You can sell physical products, downloadable products, virtual products, bookings, you name it. If you have a brick and mortar store that sells physical products, obviously taking your business online and making it into an e-commerce store will help to increase your revenue overall. Downloadable products works really well for graphic designers. They can easily sell their designs with an instant download to their customer. Selling a virtual product is great for a counselor or coach. The product in this example would be your time. You can also sell bookings online through WooCommerce. That includes things like tours, hotels, and event space. Now let's talk about the importance of web design when it comes to e-commerce. First impressions matter when it comes to website design, so make sure that you're including high-resolution photos and make sure that your navigation is really easy to read. Use consistent branding in your photography. That includes the same background, natural lighting, and consistent theme. The most important part of having an e-commerce website is to make sure that it's secure. An SSL certificate is required to sell products online, and it helps your customer to trust you. With an increasing number of sales done on mobile phones, it's really important that your website looks good on a mobile device as well. People trust reviews that they see online, so it's really important to respond to negative and positive reviews. Thanks so much for watching. You can learn more about e-commerce website design on our website, getonlinenola.com.